Welcome to ArtMagic.
We'll learn how to draw a luscious papaya fruit along with a tempting slice placed on a plate. Begin by drawing a large oval shape in the center of your paper. Now it's time to add some details to make our drawing more realistic. Draw the papaya seeds by sketching small ovals scattered across the fruit and slice. Papaya seeds are usually black and irregularly shaped. This will serve as the main body of the papaya. Next, draw a smaller oval shape on top for the stem. Then, add a few short, curved lines around the top and bottom edges of the fruit to create texture. Remember, papayas have a unique texture with bumps and ridges. Draw a straight line from the top to the bottom of the papaya to divide it into two halves. Grab your favorite coloring tools and let's bring our drawing to life. Papayas come in beautiful shades of yellow, orange, and green. Color the main body of the papaya in a light yellow-orange hue, leaving some areas slightly darker for shading. For the slice, color the inside flesh in a deeper orange shade and leave the skin lighter. Don't forget to color the seeds black and the plate in your preferred color. Once you've finished coloring, take a moment to admire your masterpiece. Add some highlights with a white-colored pencil or gel pen to make your drawing pop. You can also add shading and shadows to enhance the realism of your artwork. Please share your home paintings, drawings, and coloring with me on my Facebook page, ArtMagic Drawings. Visit our page where you'll find numerous drawings available for printing and coloring.
By the way, don't mind clicking a tiny button, the one marked subscribe. Yeah, I know it doesn't make a big difference to you, but to our team, it does.